It's Julie, I'll take it from here. Welcome to Sabrina Terrace, located in one of Corona del Mar's most coveted neighborhoods. Staying at home is no problem with your own private oasis. One of the most unique parts about this house is its original 1958 layout featuring the courtyard in the front. Come on in. In this home, you're immediately welcomed by ocean views and lots of natural light. With both a formal living room and dining room, this house is perfect for entertaining any event. This cozy family room features a second fireplace that's perfect for snuggling up or watching the boats pass by in the bay. This home was recently remodeled by community favorite Burke Custom Homes. I'm so happy they kept this original skylight because you won't find this anywhere else. And baking with ocean views can't be beat. This green decor is so perfect with the natural wood. If you love it as much as I do, go check them out at the Williams-Sonoma store located at Crystal Cove. This spacious room offers tons of natural light and a great place to relax. Whether you're lying in bed or soaking in the tub, you can always enjoy ocean views. And thank you, Lululemon, for providing us the best workout gear. How great is it to feel the ocean breeze just one step outside the living room? This outdoor furniture was provided by Tedeli in Crystal Cove. This designer Brazilian brand has unique pieces like this one. This is the conclusion of this home's tour. We hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did. And another special thank you to all of our sponsors today. We have Newport Florist, and from Fashion Island, we have Lululemon and Tiffany Hunter Homes. And from Crystal Cove, we have Williams-Sonoma and Tedeli. Thank you so much again, and enjoy the rest of the homes.